Hi guys, welcome back to Luke Ecker Working. I'm Luke Ecker, and if you're like me and you don't have a spindle sander to sand the inside of curves from a bandsaw cut, or like this box I made for my teacher at school. No worries, all you need is a drill press. Now let's get started. So what you want to do is you put your flap sander on and you push it all the way down, and you see this little nut. You put that all the way up. And now I have the drill press all the way down so it can't go anywhere. You just want to turn her on. And now it's really smooth inside. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Be sure to check out my Instagram page. It's Luke Ecker's Woodworking, and I'll see you guys next time.